GoPro Hero 10 in 2024. I can say 2025 because it's already December 21st. So why did I get this now? One thing, I got it for very less price. I got it about like 20,800 on Flipkart after the card discount. And other thing about this is like there are three things which I like about this camera. So basically, one is like video quality is too good. Uh, I have seen other options such as DJI Osmo and then Insta 360. So I like this one personally. And other thing is like this has preset, so I can keep a different preset. Say I want a different settings if I'm doing recording at the night. I want a video little brighter, so I can do that. Another thing is like for the daytime I can keep a separate preset. Maybe indoor I can keep a separate preset. You have that option. So I'll show the video of that preset options maybe in a separate video. And then other thing is like this has 4K 60 fps. I personally watch a lot of videos on my TV. To do motor logging, that's the purpose for which I got this one. So I got few accessories along with this. So have a look at this. Okay, so here are the things I got. So first thing for this is GoPro Hero 10. So right now Flipkart has mentioned changes to the box packaging. You can see they don't give the zipper pouch. Okay, other thing, I got this Action Pro mounts. This has GA mount and other extension mounts, uh, which is needed for setting the angle on your helmet. And other thing is like I got SanDisk Extreme 128 GB. So this is of class 30. So yeah, you would need this when you're doing 4K recording, or else video will be laggy and there are chances that it might get stuck. Another thing is like I got this screen protector because I don't want it to get scratched. Another thing is like this is called dead cat. This is basically used to avoid the wind noise. And yeah, this is the mic adapter. So GoPro by default doesn't support mic directly, so you will need such adapter in order to connect the mic. So yeah, this one. And then the mic, this is of MAONO brand. So this is the cheapest one which is available at the market, and I believe it's a good one. By reviews and all, what I heard, it's a good one. And then I got this Ulanzi case because to mount the GoPro along with the mic, you will need this case in which you will place the GoPro and the mic adapter goes somewhere here and it gets connected like this. So, and lastly, I got this handlebar mount. This I will use for my older GoPro. I have a Hero 7. It's a basic one, but I believe I can get a different perspective view from that angle. So I thought let me make use of that as well. Yeah, and then I got a case. Okay, so lastly, do you need so many accessories to do motor logging? Not really. You can get started with the GoPro itself, and you can do the audio syncing, basically recording audio on your mobile phone and using a external microphone or maybe a Bluetooth if you have. In that case, so you can do the audio recording then sync it up. So I'll be making a video once this setup is added on my helmet. So I'll make a video and I'll upload. Hope this video helps. So I'll leave a link to these products, maybe that helps you. Thank you for watching.